Spec, so important on any car that you want to buy, and certainly a car that we buy has to have the right spec. And what about this? Just arrived, new but registered, VAT qualifying plus VAT Defender hardtop commercial. Probably the best looking little 90 you will find in the market today. Externally modified with arch extensions, 22-inch wheels, and lots of other features going on the exterior in Santorini Black. But on a 25 plate with 27 delivery miles, this vehicle has air suspension, it has jump seats or 3 seats in the front, it has factory deployable Towbar, ClearSight Camera, and the D250 S model that this is has some unbelievable extra features like the matrix lights, the 11.4-inch touchscreen, plus more. As you walk around, you are looking at this vehicle from a really attractive external look, lower canards, extra sections here with the LED driving light, LED matrix light, extra arch extensions, bonnet insert, wing insert, light pod. We've got the roof rails, we've then got steps, we've then got the arches to the rear, the 22-inch wheels, mud flaps, spoiler, spare wheel cover, and fully colour coded. How about that? It is absolutely stunning. These black lights at the back are also black, of course, when the car's not running. We then have the load space. Now this is a hardtop Defender commercial. It is VAT qualifying. It is a full commercial vehicle, like buying a van through your business. It's also very keenly priced. Air suspension and deployable tow bar switchable from the rear. It's absolutely beautiful, this. And people want these modified Defenders for a business vehicle. I mean, it doesn't look like a commercial, does it? But it just gives you that little bit of extra for having to run a car or a van or a truck sometimes through your business. Look at this car from the side profile. It's so wide, it sits really, really nicely, and that extra air suspension, lowering the car a bit further down when you want to get in and out. Using the steps, it'll help me do that, but you'll see we've got leather seats, that jump seat in the middle. There's loads more to go through as well. So, inside the vehicle, the biggest feature for me is that air suspension, switchable just here. We then have this, it's the ClearSight Camera, another additional feature which is very nice, especially when you've got a bulkhead. The camera's in the aerial at the back of the car. Black roof lining, switchable driver cockpit. It's only done 27 miles on a 25 plate. It's as new as you could actually physically get it. Adaptive cruise with lane assist, 11.4-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, 360 camera, top view camera, 3D camera, surround view camera, like so. And because we've got the factory deployable tow bar, we've got the towing camera as well. This is a top car, heated front and rear screens. It's got everything that I would want on one of these, but it is a fantastic price. It really, really is stunning. And it does everything you're going to want your business vehicle to do. 3-litre diesel, D250, 250 brake horsepower that looks like this. Beautiful. On the website now, if you're interested, you want to know how to buy it, my name is Richard, my number's on the screen. Call me, get it secured. Thanks for watching.